Hi everyone, so we got another package from Japan. This is again for our Kyosho HOR RC motorcycle, the leaning rider version that I am building from scratch. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so I've taken it out of the plastic. Basically, we can build the motorcycle stand on its own, right? Since it's just a stand. And I think I already have the screws I need for this one. So I'll just build this instead. This I will keep for later. And I think I also need this one. Right, so these I'll have to keep. So I think this is all I need, right? I'm gonna have to check the manual. Alright, so I just checked the manual, so it actually should be like this. There you go. Like that. That is the stand. And I need a 2x6mm SD type of screw. The one on the photo is pointed, this one isn't, but I hope this works just fine. So I put it in like this. Alright. 2x6, 2x6. It's not the pointed one, but it's 2x6 SD, and it's working just fine. Let's see, works like a charm. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint this. All right, now we have our stand. Let me go ahead and try it. And there you go, guys. This is my MK1. And finally, it has a stand that's not made up. That was built for it. This looks so nice. So cool. Look at that. All right. super excited to finally finish my MK2 or the HOR version, but we need a bit more parts, so this actually will do for now. I love my MK1. Look at that, looks so awesome. All right, thank you guys.